Dear students, if we start the class 10th standard math topic relation and functions. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise 1.1. In first sum, we have three subdivisions. Find the A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. The first one, A contains three elements 2, minus 2, 3. B set contains two elements 1, minus 4. We find the Cartesian product of the two sets A cross B. So we have 2, minus 2, 3 cross 1, minus 4. So how to find the Cartesian product already we know. We take the first element in set A, 2, in map with second set B, so 2, 1, 2, minus 4. In second element, we take the second in set A, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4. Then third element in set A, 3, map with second set B, so we have 3, 1, 3, minus 4. So this is the set of ordered pair in A cross B. Then A cross A, 2, minus 2, 3 cross 2, minus 2, 3. We have the set of ordered pair. Again, we take the first element in set A, map with the other set A, 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3. We have the second element in set A, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3. In third element in set A, 3, 2, 3, minus 2, 3, 3. The next one, B cross A. In B set 1, minus 4, A set 2, minus 2, 3. So we have the set of ordered pair 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3. The second subdivision, A set, B set contains the same elements P, Q. So A cross B, A cross A, B cross A have the same answer in set of ordered pair. So P, Q cross P, Q is equal to, we take the first element in set A, map with set B, P, P, Q. We take the second element in set A, map with B, Q, P, Q, Q. The next one, third one, A set contains two elements M, N. B set is equal to null set. In A cross B, in the Cartesian product, any one set have a null set. The set of ordered pair also null set. So A cross B is equal to empty set. Then A cross A, M, N cross M, N. We find the Cartesian product M, 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 N, N, M, N, N. Then B cross A, B set already we know that is null set. So null set cross product of A set, we have the null set. In the second one, let A is contains 1, 2, 3. B set contains X, then X is a prime number less than 10. So less than 10 in prime numbers is 2, 3, 5, 7. So A cross B equal to 1, 2, 3 cross 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we applied the Cartesian product. We have the first element in A set map with the B set in all the elements. So we have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. We take the second elements in set A, map with set B. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Here the third element in A set 3, map with the B set 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next, B cross A. B set contains four elements, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 cross 1, 2, 3. So we find the Cartesian product. We have the set of ordered pair in 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. In third one, if B cross A is equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. Find A and B. Already we know here B cross A given. So B is equal to set of all first coordinates of elements of B cross A. So B set contains three elements minus 2, 0, 3. Repeated numbers is no need here. Then A set, the set of all second coordinates of elements of B cross A. So A contains two elements, that is 3, 4. The next one, if A is equal to 5 comma 6, B is equal to 4 5 6, C is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7, show that A cross A equal to B cross A intersection C cross C. Then A is equal to 5 comma 6, B is equal to 4 5 6, C is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7. First we find left hand side A cross A. 5 comma 6 cross 5 comma 6, we have the set of ordered pair in 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. In right hand side B cross B. So in the B set mapped with in B set. So we have the ordered pair in 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Then C cross C, the C set mapped with C set. So we have the set of ordered pairs in 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6, 7 comma 7. Then B cross B intersection C cross C. In the both set of ordered pairs, in common set of pair is 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So we see the two equation 1 comma 2, then we have the result is A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Hence that is proved. The next one, given A is equal to 1 2 3, B equal to 2 3 5, C equal to 3 comma 4 and D is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D is true. Then A intersection C is equal to 1 2 3 intersection 2 3 5. Here the common elements in A and C, we have in the C set only 3 comma 4. So 1 2 3 in C set 3 comma 4, we have the common element in A intersection C is equal to 3. Then B intersection D equal to B set 2 3 5, D set 1 3 5. Here intersection of two set is 3 comma 5. So left hand side we find in A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to 3 cross 3 comma 5. So we have the ordered pair 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Then right hand side we find A cross B, A set 1 2 3, then cross product of 2 3 5. Then A set map with the B set, we have the set of ordered pair 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, then 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Then C cross D is equal to 3 comma 4 cross 1 comma 3 comma 5. Then we find the cross product 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. Then A cross B intersection C cross D is equal to 3 comma 3, then 3 comma 5. This is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we get A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. This is true. The next one, that A is equal to X belongs to whole number that X less than 2. So A set contain only whole number X less than 2 is 0 comma 1. Then B set contains X elements. That X elements belongs to natural number. That natural number gives 1 less than X less than or equal to 4. So 1 less than X less than or equal to 4 is equal to 2 3 4. So B set contain only 3 elements, that is 2 3 4. Then C set equal to 3 comma 5. Then B union C is equal to, so B 2 3 4 union of 3 comma 5. Union set means already we know, adding the all the elements, containing all the elements in 2 set, that is 2 3 4 5. The repeated number is not here. Then A cross B union C equal to A set 0 comma 1 cross 2 3 4 5. Then A set mapped with B union C, we have the ordered pairs 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5. Then right hand side A cross B 0 comma 1 cross 2 3 4. 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then A cross C is equal to 0, 1 cross 3, 5. So 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. So A cross B union A cross C is equal to the both the set of ordered pairs. We take union now, adding union set of the two sets. We have 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So from 1 and 2, we have left hand side equal to right hand side. The second subdivision of this one, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. The left hand side, B intersection C is equal to 2, 3, 4 intersection 3, 5. Here, the intersection of the two set, the element is 3. So, A cross B intersection C is equal to 0, 1 cross 3. We have the set of ordered pairs 0, 3, 1, 3. Then right hand side, A cross B equal to 0, 1 cross 2, 3, 4. Then we have the set of ordered pairs 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then A cross C equal to 0, 1 cross 3, 5. We have the ordered pairs 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Then A cross B intersection A cross C equal to intersection of the both of the two pairs. Here we have the only two pairs 0, 3, 1, 3. So from 1 and 2, we see the two equation. We get the result in left hand side equal to right hand side, that is A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Thank you.